guys, Aaron Klosterman here with AJK Offroad. Sitting at our CF Moto here that we just finished up with all of our products. Let me flip the camera around and show you what we got going on. From the interior, we have our dash mount. We also have larger door pockets. Over on the passenger side of the CF Moto, we have under seat storage. This mounts to the framework. This only works in the 4-seater. Then we also have floor mounted storage. Both of them work well together. You can still reach your hand in and get whatever you need. More door pockets. We offer door pockets front and rear. Starting at the front of the machine, our bumper. The tread plates come silver and black. Roughly in 2 weeks, we will also have red. We did get the red color approved, so we will be moving forward with the red. Inner fender guards. These are 1/8 inch aluminum. Bolt through your fender wall. Light brackets. These bolt onto your A-pillar mount. Mirror accents. Just gives your front of your machine, the mirrors, a little bit of color. They screw into the plastic. We also offer door accents just to break up all the black down there. Then we move on to our rock sliders. These rock sliders go around the front, go all the way around underneath about 4 inches, and then they wrap around top. Same thing on the rear, wrap around. Wrap around there too. And then we just released our door struts. Bolts using a factory hole, and then you also drill one extra hole. We have them for the front and rear. Next, we move on to our rear mud guards. Helps keep all the mud and debris from going back into your engine compartment. They're also vented to let the hot air get out. Then we move on to our exhaust cover. This will also be offered in red in roughly 2 weeks. We have black and silver available now. Then our rear bumper. Same thing with the colors. Lights, tow hook, mounts to the frame of the machine. And then we have our rear enclosure. This rear enclosure is a multiple piece deal. You could buy just the rack. You could buy the rack with the rear glass protector. With just the back glass. Then if you want, you could also buy it with the rear facing enclosure. These are locking. Locking only goes so far as the tailgate does not lock, but if you have bigger items, they would not be able to get it out. We also offer a bed drawer. But anyone wanting anything else for this thing? Otherwise, we're going to put it up for sale. If anyone knows who would want to purchase this, let us know and we could probably work some deal out. If you're hearing a bad rattle, it's from the tailgate. We could turn some lights on. Let us know what you're thinking. If you think of anything else we should design for this, otherwise we're gonna put it up for sale.